Car safety watchdog Global NCAP has just revealed crash safety results for the Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Taigun, and the news is good. The models have been rated a max 5 stars on adult occupant protection and also a max 5 stars on child occupant protection. The duo are the first India-made cars to achieve full star ratings in both adult and child occupant protection criterias. What's commendable is that the Kushaq and Taigun have achieved the result in Global NCAP's latest and more comprehensive testing protocol that includes tests for frontal offset, side impact, electronic stability control, pedestrian protection, and side impact pole protection. As standard, all new Kushaqs and Taiguns get 2 airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, multi-collision braking, brake disc wiping, 3-point seat belts for all seats, and ISOFIX child seat mounts for the rear outboard seats. It's important to mention here that Global NCAP uses the base or equivalent safety versions for testing. Also, since the Kushaq and Taigun are built on the same platform and assembly line, the results are valid for both models. In the front offset crash test conducted at 64 km an hour, the Kushaq's body shell was found stable and capable of bearing further load. Front passenger protection was found to be good on the whole, while protection for the driver's head, neck and knees was found good. Protection to the driver's chest, right leg and feet was rated adequate, while left leg protection was marginal. The rearward position child seats for 3-year-old and 18-month occupants were found to prevent head exposure during impact. In the side impact test that has a mobile barrier impact the vehicle at 50 km an hour, head, abdomen and pelvis protection for the front occupants was rated good, while chest protection was found marginal. The child seats were found to provide full side impact protection. In the side pole impact protection test, a fully loaded Taigun with 6 airbags was used. This is in keeping with Global NCAP's allowance for fitment of side head protection systems. For a 5-star rating in 2022, over 30% production for a model should be for versions with side head protection systems or side and curtain airbags. The Taigun was found to offer good protection to the head and pelvis, adequate protection to the abdomen and marginal protection to the chest. The Kushaq and Taigun were also found to meet UN 127 pedestrian protection standards, while ESC performance was acceptable by Global NCAP standards. So a strong performance by the Kushaq and Taigun. Question is, which cars would you like to see tested next? Let us know in the comment section below.